No, you can create a zip file on your computer without installing any extra software. In today's video, I will show you how to create a zip file in under 30 seconds. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit subscribe because we will share useful tech tips like this all the times. Now without wasting any time, let's dive into how to create a zip file. Step 1. Select the file or folder you want to zip. If you have multiple files, hold a control and click to select them all. So in my case, here are you can see there are a lot of file over in on desktop. So select one by one, press control and select all the files. Then click right click and then select compress to and then select zip file, and that's it. Your file is been created. Now if you want to extract this file, simply right click and select this option extract all, extract, and that's it, your file has been extracted. So that's how easy it is to create a zip file. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you have any question, drop them in comment below. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.